Greetings to you, my viewers, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Forex4You, and today I am going to be your AMA, that's Ask Me Anything, when it comes to Forex4You. So I'm going to compile a couple of questions that have been asked on Forex4You trading platform over the past few weeks, and I'm going to be addressing them in this video. Of course, you and I know that questions are unending and I can't be able to answer everything, but I'm going to address the major ones. And in order to keep this video moderate in length and not to make it too long, I'm going to answer just as much as I can. And if you have further questions, you can please feel free to drop them in the comment section. And without wasting further time, let's do this. So you go to youtube.com and you search for Forex4You, okay? And then open, go to my playlists, and you can see the videos I made for Forex4You, okay? So when you open it, you can see all the videos that I made for Forex4You, okay? All the videos I made on Forex4You. And from here, we're going to select the questions that we're going to be answering today. So I've opened this and this, okay? So now let's get into business. So I made this video before this one, so let's start with this guy. And if you come down here, you can see, can I transfer the US dollar to Binance since they charge 500 plus for dollar? So I think basically what this person is talking about is when you fund your accounts, when you deposit, because if you come to the deposit options, you click on financial operations and you come to deposit. Let's say you want to deposit into this one of your accounts and you click on online banking, okay, and then you select the amount $10 and you confirm and click on add funds. So you can see you are paying 5562 naira for $10. So if you divide it by 10, you are basically being charged 556.2 naira to $1. So this guy is asking, can he transfer the US dollar to Binance since they charge this for $1? Okay, now the answer is what? No. The answer is no. Okay, if you deposit money here and you want to withdraw, you are going to withdraw via the means that you deposited. However, the profits that you made on Forex4You can be withdrawn using any other means, any other withdrawal means or any other withdrawal options of your choice. Okay, now this person also asks, can I deposit with online banking and then withdraw perfect money? No. When you deposit via online banking, you withdraw via online banking. When you deposit via perfect money, you as well withdraw via perfect money. Okay, this person asks, do we get sign-up bonus? Yes, of course you can get sign-up bonuses. Okay, you can see bonus of us. Yes, you can get sign-up bonus for the affiliate marketing. Okay, when you introduce someone to Forex4You, after the person has signed up and verified the account and they deposit money, you are going to get some commission. Okay, yes, you are going to get some commission. You can as well get some bonuses when you deposit money. Okay, when you deposit in Forex4You, you can select, let's say, let's put $10 here and select online banking. You can see bonus, bonus amount. You can select how many percent bonus you want here. Okay, the bonus amount you want here when you deposit. Okay, so it's all left for you. If we head to this one, to this video, you will see some other questions. I made this video about copy trading. Okay, copy trading on Forex4You, and the first person said, from experience, copy trading usually don't end well, but I trust your judgment, Fred. You always do your due diligence before update. Now the fact is, he has a point, but it's still not 100% correct. Okay, it doesn't mean that whenever you copy someone, you are going to always lose. Neither is he always also guaranteed that you're going to always win. Okay, so when you are copying someone, when you want to copy for a professional forex trader, now someone is a professional forex trader doesn't mean that the person will always be 100% correct all the time. So what I recommend is, when you're copying a professional forex trader, diversify your risk. Okay, you can choose up to 5 people to copy from and spread out your risk and your funds within those 5 professional forex traders. Okay, so now we head to the next question. What's the minimum amount you can copy a trader? Okay, so and when we come here, let's go and find out. When we come to this Forex4You and we go to share for you, Now if you go to share for you, you will see a lot of people. There are lots of people that you can copy from. Okay, please note that there is no minimum deposit on Forex for you or share for you. Okay, there is no minimum deposit per se, so you can actually deposit or trade or copy trade with any amount of your choice. Okay, any amount that you have. There are lots of people you can copy from. If you click on this leaderboard, you can see lots of professional forex traders, and believe you me, each of them have various prices that you can copy. Now if you come to filters, you will see which amount would you like to invest. If you put $10 here and you apply filter, you can see people that you can copy with $10. Okay, now if you come to filter and you put $100 and apply filter, you see that it has changed too. The people that popped up, they've changed too. Okay, you can see a lot of people, most of these guys now, these guys here, the minimum amount you can use and copy is $400 and above. Okay, so it varies from trader to trader. So there are other questions that people do ask. We've answered 3 questions already. Now let us look at this. This guy said, "Great work, boss. How about Findo and Providus bank cards?" Now I think he's talking about deposits. Okay, if you can deposit with Findo or Providus bank ATM cards, and the answer is yes. You can deposit with any bank at all. You can use any banking app to make a transfer to Forex4You Wema bank account that is generated when you try to use the bank transfer option. Okay, and your deposit is going to drop instantly. Then now let us move to the 5th question. There are lots of questions that people ask me, apart from asking on YouTube, when people contact me on Instagram or directly on my WhatsApp contacts. I think I should also address some of those questions because I think they are very important. And then this is the 5th question we're addressing today. Do I have to verify my account before I trade? The answer to this question is no. You do not need to verify your account on Forex4You to deposit and trade, as long as the deposit or withdrawal amount is not above $1,000. Okay, once the amount is less than $1,000, okay, you can actually deposit, trade, withdraw. But once it exceeds $1,000, then you need to verify your account. So we move to the 6th question, and then they do ask me, do they accept paper NIN? Yes, you can use the paper NIN to verify your account, or you can just log on to the NIMC website, okay, and get the digital NIN. Okay, so when you get your digital NIN online, you can take a screenshot with any phone at all, whether Android or iPhone. Take a screenshot, and you can as well use that screenshot to verify your Forex4You account. Sometimes people also ask me, which is the best trading platform on Forex4You? Okay, there are different platforms. There are different platforms for you to trade. If you click on these trading platforms, you will see. For example, used to ask, should they use the Forex4You mobile, or should they use MetaTrader 4, or should they use the web trader or the Forex4You desktop trader? Well, the answer is that in any of these trading platforms, you can actually do anything you want to do on any of them. You can place your trade, manage your trade, do your copy trading, or anything you want to do on them. It's just a matter of convenience. It's a matter of personal convenience, the one that you feel is okay for you to use and place your trade or manage your trades. Okay, you can be walking on the road, or you can be in a bus and you decide, okay, let me bring up my phone. I think it's most convenient for me. Sometimes at home you want a broader screen, you can use your laptop, or you can even use your TV and project it to your TV, however you want it. Okay, there is a web trader. You can trade directly on the web. Okay, yeah, or you can use MetaTrader 4. As for me, I love using MetaTrader 4, okay, and the web trader. So that is the 7th question, okay. And then the 8th question is Forex4You on App Store and Play Store. Yes, of course. If you open your Play Store, okay, yeah, and you type Forex4You, you will find it here. I even have it already downloaded. Okay, if you still go to App Store, you will still see it there. Okay, so the 9th question, which is very, very important, I consider is very, very important, is someone messaged me and said, what is the best currency pair to trade? Best currency pair to trade. Now I'll have to tell you that there is no best currency pair to trade per se. However, you can ask which are the most stable currency pairs to trade, or the most volatile currency pairs to trade. A lot of risk takers love trading volatile pairs because that's where the magic happens. You can just stay and there will be lots of spikes. Why some love it when they trade currency pairs that are less likely to have too many spikes. Okay, and then example of such currencies is the Euro USD. I love trading this currency. Okay, if you look at the chart, you'll see that the magic is just happening in few places. Okay, this is even 5 minutes chart. Let us look at 30 minutes charts. Okay, if you look at 30 minutes chart, you'll still see that there is not too much spike. The spikes are not too much, and it's something like Euro USD is more of a stable currency pair to trade, that you can actually place your trade and you can have a little time to be watching it, and doing your thing. And you have to know that there is no safest currency pair to trade. As you make money from forex trading, you can as well lose money from forex trading, so you have to trade with caution. Okay, the 10th question is can I trade anytime, any day? And the answer to this is yes, during weekdays. Yes, but during weekdays. Okay, the forex market is open during the weekdays, but during weekends the forex market is closed. If there are other questions that you have and you wish me to attend to or answer, I'm going to be your AMA. Okay, you can still leave them in the comment section and I will attend to them and answer them as much as I can. So if you've not signed up on Forex4You, just use the link displayed on the screen right now to sign up on Forex4You. Okay, so we can diversify our risk and learn how to trade forex and make money as you're doing with arbitrage. Okay, and I'll be dropping more updates on how you can make money trading forex, okay, using Forex4You. And I will as well leave this link in the video description here on YouTube. Thank you for watching till this point. If you enjoyed this one, leave a like. If you did not enjoy this one, smash this like twice and tell me why in the comment section. And please share my video on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube and other social media platforms, so that other people too can gain true value from the videos that I share online. And please also note that trading forex involves some significant risk to your invested capital. An asset may diminish in value or may be lost totally if you do not understand what you are doing, or if you don't have proper knowledge on forex trading. Thanks once more for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video. Peace.